Now comes tighter, right, but still lines up behind the offensive line. They give it to Deebo Samuel, a walk-in touchdown! Touchdown! San Francisco! Deebo in motion left. Handoff, McCaffrey off the left side. Touchdown! CMC!
And he is able to detonate right over Draymond Jones, the defensive lineman.
The head of McCaffrey slides left, toss to McCaffrey coming left, stacked up, stays patient, squirts through, and takes it all the way down to the goal line. Touchdown! CMC, what a run that was!
CMC, TCB, a slow fuse on that one because there was nowhere to go.
Get a motion, use check out left, Purdy gonna throw, throws back right, wide open Ayuk! Touchdown! San Francisco!
Ayuk is on fire! Best throw of the second half, without question.